Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. Today I am going to share you breakfast recipe that is vegetable pulao along with that cucumber raita. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now for preparing one masala, I have taken a few green chilies, few pieces of ginger, coriander and few garlic. Then now I am adding coconut, half spoon of pepper, black pepper, few pieces of cinnamon, few cloves, this much I am going to grind this. By adding water I will make a fine paste. Now I am adding little water and I will make a paste. Now you can see masala paste is ready. Now I have taken a cooker. For that I am adding oil. And here I have taken one pan. For that I have added water. I will allow it to boil so that we can prepare easily. Once the oil is heated, I am adding mustard, jeera, chana dal, urd dal, few bay leaf and few pieces of star anise. Now I am adding one chopped onion, few curry leaf, now I am adding little salt, now I am chopping and adding fresh pudina. If you want you can grind it also. Now I am adding one chopped tomato. Here you can see I have taken here 3/4 cup of normal Sona Masuri rice. I am transferring it to one bowl. And today I am using Good Life Jeera Sambar rice. And this I have taken here half cup. Both the rice I will wash and then I will use it. Now you can see tomatoes are also cooked, they are soft. Now I am adding the prepared masala paste. As we have used raw ingredients for preparing masala paste, now we need to fry it. Along with that I am adding turmeric powder. Now I'm adding dhania powder. Now I'm adding just 1 to 2 spoons of curd, homemade curd. Here you can see I have taken chopped beans, carrot and potato. Now I am going to add them. If you have green peas, you can use that also. But today I am using this one. This we call it as suryakalu. And that will be inside the beans. That one I am using today. After adding everything, mix it well. Now I am adding washed rice. Now I am going to mix it. Now I am going to add salt. Today I am using rock salt. Add salt as per your taste. Now I am adding hot water which I kept for boiling earlier in the ratio of 1:2. Now we need to allow the water to boil and then we need to close the lid. Now I am adding around 1 spoon of ghee, homemade ghee. Now I will be adding fresh lime juice. Now water is also boiling. I will close the lid and I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Preparing cucumber raita, I have taken your chopped cucumber. For that I am adding chopped tomato, chopped coriander, then chopped onion, little jeera powder, salt for taste, now I will mix it once. Now I will be adding curd. Today I am using homemade curd. Now cucumber raita is also ready. And see, if you have bread, you can do like this. I have taken 3 slices of bread and I have done into small cubes, medium size cubes like this, and this is optional. Here I have kept oil which is heated. For that I am going to add the bread and I will fry them. And we need to fry it in low flame so that we'll get crispy bread crunches. See, it's ready. Within 30 to 40 seconds we can fry. And now I am taking it to separate plate. Now you can see vegetable pulav is ready. Now I am going to mix it. Now after mixing, I will transfer it to serving plate. Now you can see vegetable pulav is ready, and I have garnished it with bread crunches. You can even mix it. If you want crispiness, you can keep it like this, and along with that cucumber raita. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.